Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is 547 number of provinces. So there is given a graph. You have to return the number of provinces present there. So here is given example that the graph is 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 is connected but 3 is not connected. So the number of provinces is 2. And here is 1, 2, 3. These are not connected. So the number of provinces are 3. So let's write the code for this. First you have to find the size. Int n equals to s is connected dot size, and then I will create vector 2D vector ad adjacent list n, and for int I equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. For int j equals to 0, j less than n, and again j plus plus. I will check if is connected, then I will check if it is connected and I should not equals to j, then I will push back this in my adjacency list. Okay, so adjacency list dot push back of j, and after this loop I have to count the provinces. So I create the int cnt and vector int visited n, which is 0 initially, for, and then I will traverse through the visited for int I equals to 0 and I plus plus, and if it is not visited, then I will do, if it is not visited, then I will pass this in a DFS function, adjacency and visited. Okay, and mark the cnt plus plus, and after this loop I just have to return the count. Write the DFS, let's write the DFS code for this. Void DFS int I comma vector 2D vector ampersand edg and vector int ampersand visited. Okay, you have to do visited of I equals to 1, and then for auto it will traverse through all the element in a graph for that particular index. Okay, let's do, and if it is not visited, then I will again pass it. If not visited of that it, then I will again pass the DFS function, DFS of it comma adjacent comma visited. Let's run this code. I hope this works fine. There is, okay, equals to error. Let's again run this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.